Kathy and I are both very strong at interpreting the market and being very direct and honest about our clients, whether it's a buyer or a seller, about this is what we're seeing in the market. These are the kinds of things to expect, and here's what we need to do to make the good better and the negative the least negative it can be. And I think that's where our experience pays off in spades for our clients.
Absolutely, Amy. And I think setting expectations, it's a different process when you meet with someone new. I think most sellers expect that still their house will sell really quickly within a week's period of time. And I think that our job right now is to let them know where the market is, what the average days on market are, what we can do to control that and minimize those amount of days on market. But everyone needs to have expectations that are realistic to the market we're presented with right now. And I think Amy and I both, not necessarily, under promise and over deliver, but definitely not over promising. We're using facts and data.